morning, everybody. Have a nice morning today. Have a very nice time with my English class at the beginning of the day. Welcome. You're most welcome to my digital classroom, your spoken English class. My class and all its associates are working for the development of your listening and speaking skills. You have to spend just 2 or 3 minutes a day for your own development. Today, I'll read a very beautiful story with a striking lesson for all of us. Try to follow me. I know you can do the work. Yes, you can. Now the story. But I won't let you know the name of the story right now. You got to know the name of the story and the moral at the end. Let's start. At a great gathering of all the beasts, the monkey got up to entertain his friends by doing a dance. So nimble on his feet and so amusing his gesture and grimaces that all the animals roared with laughter. Even the lion, the king of the beasts, forgot his royal dignity and rolled on the ground with glee. Only the camel seemed to be bored by the monkey's performance. I don't see anything so funny in that exhibition, she sniffed. As a matter of fact, it seems very crude and amateurish to me. All right, then, cried all the animals. Suppose you show us what you can do. Realizing what she had let herself in for, the camel stumbled into the circle and in no time at all had made herself utterly ridiculous by her awkward and stumbling performance. All the beasts booed her and set upon her with clubs and claws and drove her out into the desert. The name of the story, The Monkey and the Camel. And the moral, stretch your arm no further than your sleeve will reach.